Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad you're here. Oh my gosh, you guys are probably like scouring the internet for all the sneak peeks for Black Friday, or you are looking for your favorite Richard Lorenz diamond paintings and you fell across this video. I hope you enjoy. Have you ever had an artist that just makes you feel good? This is it. As a trauma therapist, I resonate so much with Richard Lorenz and his birds and Be the Bird, right? I've got several of his interview. You're welcome to go look at the interviews and have some fun along with us. But let's get serious. This is why we're here. Are you ready? It is Black Friday reveal, Tripping with the Sisters. Oh my goodness. I remember when this was first drawn. He sent it in and then we all voted on it. This was a super fast turnaround, right? Normally we're waiting 6 months, a year, 2 years. They knew we needed this. This is All My Sisters. I absolutely love it. This is the new box. You know, automatically it's a square because it says square, because it's blue, because it has the blue gem on it. Also, it's got the new sleeve. So you still get a box, but the sleeve is what's individualized. You know, this could be good for people who want to collect because you don't need the whole box now. You could just cut this little piece out and make your own card. Who knows? Love scrapbooking, all the fun stuff. Also, on the end, there's a sticker that they already put there that says Tripping with My Sisters by Richard Lorenz. I love it. So if you are storing this horizontally or vertically, you automatically know what is inside the box. Don't worry, we're going to turn the camera around in just a few minutes, but we want to check out some features first. So we're going to open this box. Do, do, do. And I love that they even thought of putting a finger hole here so we can pull this baby out. And let's see here. Like I said, it's a 22-inch by 29-inch. Not too bad with the size. You're going to get your toolkit. In your toolkit, you are going to get your famous Diamond Art Club pen with the putty already inside, the three placer. And in your stackable tray with removable lid and stopper is going to be your clear putty, your pink wax, and a seven placer. This stopper comes out, this slides back on. And if you get more Diamond Art Club, you can easily stack them and then you can put your symbols on here or on the side for anything you want to do that has confetti. And then, of course, you're going to get some baggies. What do you use your baggies for? I use them for if I am lazy and don't want to kit up and want to start right away. And so I open one of the drill bags and I need to stick it back in until I can get my stuff all kitted up. Okay, so here's your thank you for your purchase. Pop it open. And what? This is my first silver card. I've never gotten a silver card. I've gotten all bronze and one black. This is my first silver. Absolutely stunning. Tripping with the Sisters. You automatically know it's silver because it's still silver on the back and it has the silver frame. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that they have the code so you can still keep the card, but you can use the code for those points. Go check out Diamond Art Club for more details. You get this little booklet, and in the booklet is your Tripping with the Sisters. Look here. Down below, the little license plate tag, and then you have your start and end date, and then this is a sticker that you can put on in your journal, and then it shows you here up to this one has 73. I think they can go up to 102 before having to give you two of these. All right, so this has 73 colors, and one, two, three are ABs, and three are fairy dust. So six specials in this baby. All right, so I'm going to turn the camera around and we are going to check out this canvas. See you in just a second. Okay, everyone, here is the infamous Diamond Art Club Do What Makes You Sparkle packaging. We are going to open it up. And then when we get to the drills, I'll pause so we don't crinkle as much. Let's see, here we go. All right, so you've got the patented felt backing, so beautiful, soft lint. You've got the serged edges, so if your canvas does decide to be naughty, then the edges are serged to keep them nice. I've yet to have a canvas be naughty though. And then down here on the bottom, you've got your thumbnail with your SKU number, Trippin With My Sisters, who it's by, Richard Lorenz, and it's a 22" by 29". And you can see the centimeters here. You've got all your social media, and then you've got your lifetime warranty. All right, we did say it was square. Let's look. Look how vibrant and how clear those symbols are. And you'll notice right away, what in the world is this? If you are newer to Diamond Art Club or you've only opened their old kits, this just shows you where the perforation is for the 4x4 plastic squares that you can work on. All right, Mama's Taxi. And this is just a hot mess, doing our best. All right, I love the bubbles. Let's keep... Look at this cute little bird in the rendering. Absolutely gorgeous. Here are all of your flock. Which one are you in this flock? Which one are you? Ah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sisters here. And then you got a little one down here. So I wonder what this one is, right? Absolutely. They're all in a taxi. And look at the rendering. These feathers, you can see the feathers so clearly. The glasses, the beak. Look, she's got her nose ring. She's like got her bandana scarf on and her glasses. Look at the jewels that are coming out. And her tongue's like, oh, give me something to eat. Flapping in the breeze. Oh, and then the curly feathers, it just reminds me of some curls right here. And then you've got, look, the flip out with her daisies coming out of her hat. How fun is that? And she's like, oh, I'm here. I'm here. I love the purple and the vibrancy. Absolutely stunning. I got so excited. I knocked you guys around. Hold on, hold on. There is no earthquake right this moment. I used to joke with my friend Yvonne and be like, earthquake, I'm so sorry. And I love these colors. Okay, so this is the drills. It's labeled with the SKU number and Trippin With My Sisters. So if you do separate them from your canvas, they can reunite. Reunited, and it feels so good. Okay, so I'm going to pause and take these out for you guys. And we are back. So we got this little 451 right here that didn't make it on the train. This is like the caboose. Choo-choo. Look at this right off the bat. These 558. Oh, these are my favorite colors, people. I am drooling. Which canvas are you drooling over this Black Friday? So you've got these vibrant 445s, 959. 564, 1, 2, 3, 4 of this 958. Super excited about that. Okay, so we've got our first AB. This is everywhere, right? The daisies and the feathers, mostly the daisies. Absolutely stunning. You've got 1, 2, 3 of the 162. You've got 2 of the 310s. Oh, here's the other 451s. Okay, they're like, nope. No, thank you, kind sir. You are not coming on our train. Oh, I love the 3810. All right, here's the first fairy dust. Fairy dust is kind of this mica powder. This is 444. Let's see here. Where are you at? Okay, so it's here in her hair or feathers, the flip out right here, some in the glasses, some over here in the flower. So love it. I love this burnt orange color. We've got the Euchra. Oh, look at that purple. Stunning. They do a great balance of vibrancy versus like real color, so they don't overcompensate. Okay, ABs, sequence looking. This is the no side, like the circle with the no, get out of here. Okay, so it looks like it just outlines here. It's on the some of the beaks. It kind of outlines here. Let me see where else we have it. It's in the little bird, in the beak area, and then it's in the taxi sign down here, the taxi sign. All right, let's get back to our colors. I love 814. All right, we're gonna keep going with the train here. Come on, ride the train. All right, I'm gonna go through these. Here's another AB, 3819. That is the sideways hourglass. Let's see where you're at. Okay, it's in some of these bubbles. So it's in some of the bubbles. Yep, that's where it's at. Some of the bubbles. Yep, some of the bubbles. All right, then we got some more of that color, those colors. Whoops, I was going the other way. Let's look at the other. Lots of pretty colors. All right, and then I think that's it. That's it. No, we got one more. I thought we had one more. I was so excited. I just want to start this. Okay. These are the little ones that help accent to bring the painting some dimension. Here's a fairy dust as well, 3766. That's the equal sign. Just double check. There's not a lot of it, so it must be an accent somewhere. Where are you? I thought it might be in the glasses because it's a, oh, it's here in the birdie's eyes down here. And then where else might you be? I don't, it's hiding on me. You guys are going to have to get this kit and find out yourself. It looks like there's some in her wings up here. Yes, that's where I see it. Okay, and then the rest of the colors, and then this last fairy dust is 6D12, and I have a feeling that is the letter E. So let me see here. Okay, so it's here in the top of her glasses, and then it's throughout the body of this bird right here, and then a little bit up in her wings to accent. Oh my goodness. So let me know, what is your favorite Lorenz down below, and are you getting this Tripping with the Sisters, or is it going on your wish list? I'm dying to know. So thank you guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.